Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prep Inc. And today we are preparing this Pillsbury Chocolate Collection Cheesecake Swirl Premium Brownies. So we've got everything that we need assembled here. You're of course going to need your Cheesecake Swirl brownie mix, but also a 9-inch baking pan or an 8-inch baking pan. And then you're gonna need a bowl to mix everything up in. Also a smaller bowl for your filling mix. You're going to need some cooking spray or some butter, oil, whatever you'd like to grease your pan with. 1/3 of a cup oil plus 3 tablespoons of water. I already have those combined in my measuring cup, plus 1 egg. And then for our filling mix, you're going to need 1 egg white plus 3 tablespoons of water. I have those mixed together in the smaller cup. We're gonna need some spoons, spatula, knife. First thing that you need to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And now we need to prepare our pan. I have lined mine with foil, but you don't have to do that. It does just make it easier to take out things like brownies without them falling apart. And then whatever way you've prepared your pan, we're gonna go ahead and spray it with some cooking spray. And then set that aside. Next, we need to combine our wet ingredients, which is our oil, water, and egg in our bowl. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. Then we're gonna open up our box and take out our 2 pouches that we have in here. Your larger and darker colored, chocolatey colored one is your brownie mix. And then your smaller one that is white or creamy color is your filling mix. Set that aside. Now we're gonna open up our brownie mix and add it into our wet ingredients. We're gonna mix that until it's well combined, about 50 strokes, and you wanna make sure that you are scraping down the sides and bottom to make sure that all of that dry mix is fully incorporated. Our brownie mix is done. We're gonna spread that into our pan. Now that it's in our pan, just give it a little bit of a shake to even everything out. You want it to be pretty level. Now we're gonna set this aside and work on our filling mixture. So in here, I have 1 egg white and 3 tablespoons of water. I'm gonna go ahead and just mix those up first so that way they are more homogeneous. And then go ahead and open up your filling mix and add it in. If you like what we're doing here, please consider sending a super thanks. It helps us continue to provide more amazing content. Now that we've got our mix, we're just going to drop this by spoonfuls onto our brownie batter. That doesn't have to be perfect, just plop them around wherever. Now we're going to take our knife. I'm just using a butter knife, but you could use a sharper one if you want. Get freaky with it. And we're just going to swirl this around. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just stick it down into the batter as you do it though, so that it gets incorporated into the actual batter. And now we're going to pop this into the oven for 33 to 36 minutes for a 9x9 pan, or 36 to 39 minutes for an 8x8 pan. We basically want the brownie portion to have a toothpick inserted, come out mostly clean, and that's when we know it's going to be done. You can also tell if the sides begin to pull away from the edge of the pan. So I will come back and let you know exactly how long this takes in my oven. All right, we are back. It has been exactly 36 minutes in my oven. I checked at 33 minutes and they were definitely a little jiggly in the center, but these look done. So we're gonna go ahead and insert a toothpick and see if it comes out mostly clean, which this is. So these are officially done. Here's our completed Pillsbury Chocolatier Collection Cheesecake Swirl Premium Brownies. If you guys would like to know how these taste, then definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we're gonna give you a full review and let you know if we'd buy this again. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and we'll catch you guys next time. Bye. All right, guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.